we back at it with another video today. And yeah, I've been gone for a while now. So today, you know what I'm saying? Like, today's gonna be short. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna make it that long video, but I'm gonna show you how you make a meal of the day. I mean, I call it a meal of the day. So let's make this happen. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Ooh, ooh.
Boy, if you don't get
Ooh, ooh. That steak right there. Be careful, that's that steak. Going right there. So let's make it happen, baby. Hey, yeah. So I already did the preparation already. So I already put what I needed to put it on it. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Hey. Don't be jealous out of that. But hey, I got my own goat. You know, I cut it myself. Went go get it to the farm. I
what? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
chop it up. And I wanted that big. That's in the big plate. But hey.
Got him! Got him!
Check this out. I'm about to put this thing in. So let you know how it's gonna go down. So I already got my stuff, like I put the oil, whatever you want to put on it. Me, I prefer butter. So when you put it on it, you gotta be gentle. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be real gentle. You gotta be real nice. You know, like, well, don't get burned. But if you get scared to get burned, you get your out at the kitchen. But yeah, check this out. Check this out. Just let it fry a little bit. You know what I'm saying? One little, gonna let it digging in and this. You know what I'm saying? Look at that little fat right there. That thing will be delicious. Alright. Make sure when you cook it, you gotta cook it slow. Don't cook it fast now, because that's a big boy right there. You feel me? Just let it cook until you be like, oh, let me flip it over.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Let's go get it. So what I do here, I just covered it up, you know what I'm saying, just to get every juice in there, just to get the little flavor, you know, to go in there. Because if I could just leave it like that and flop, nah, you gotta do it the right way, you know what I'm saying? There are people out there trying to make it happen, but I ain't using no grill right now. I'm using an oven, you dig? So cover it up a little bit. Let it, you know, let it get stuffed. You gotta learn from the best, right? So now just flip it. So now you see the other side, you know, how the juice, you see how it look like it's wet.
Boy, if you don't get
Feel me? So, you know, you just need a little bit of, just let it cook. Ooh, that thing look delicious, but just by looking at it. Just by looking at it. I don't want to get too close, nigga. Y'all might eating it.
what? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But hey, check this out. So now I just flip it again. Now, as you can see, the way you seeing it, the process is just keep going. You know what I'm saying? You see that little fry, you know what I'm saying? Look at this, man. That thing looks juicy. Hey, stop playing with me. So yes, I flip it again. I have to cover it again, you know what I'm saying, just to get the inside, because I don't like it red. You dig? I like it moisturized, but not bloody. You dig? But yeah, as you can see, the process still a process. but trust it. Let's go. Bow.
A few minutes later.
Woo! So I think it's almost ready. You know what I'm saying? I put a little bit of if you see that little thing you see right there, that's the rosemary, you know. I let it sit in there real quick. Give that a little herb vibe taste. So yeah. You see that? That's how it's supposed to be done, ladies and gentlemen. Alright? That's the way it's supposed to be done. Make it happen, baby. Make it happen. Stop playing with me. Come on now.
A few minutes later.
And this the result. Right there. Look at this beauty. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Look at this steak. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Somebody call me. I got you.
Boy, if you don't get...
I'm only gonna charge you $55 a pound for this meal. Hey, stop playing with me. I say it again. Stop playing with me. I'm out. Woo!
A few minutes later.
And that's what happened. That's what happened. Stop playing with me.